Hey guys, it's Curry Gaming, and today, I thought of a pretty interesting video regarding the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks lineup, and ever since these two versions of Bigfoot, plus the two chase piece versions of Bigfoot, have been released for Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, that got me thinking. I honestly think, should they make Snakebite in the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks line? Now, for those of you who are wondering about the monster truck called Snakebite, Snakebite is actually the original teammate to Bigfoot back in the original days of monster truck history. Snakebite is basically a Bigfoot pickup truck, but the front end is like a snake head, and there's a recolor of the truck called Tailgater, which is part of independent circuits only, but it does not compete in Monster Truck Throwdown though. Or at least I don't think it does. But anyway, so I honestly think it would be really cool if they added Snakebite to the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks franchise. And since Bigfoot is a part of Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Live, I think they should put Bigfoot. I think Bob Chandler should contract with Hot Wheels to allow Snakebite to join the fray, because basically Snakebite is basically a Bigfoot, but with a like Cobra styled design, if you know what I mean. Oh, sorry about that. The modern day version of Snakebite, it still has the Cobra head and everything, but it has like trophy truck fenders, or like rear side panels, but like curved like the trophy truck. Here, let me get a trophy truck to explain what I mean. Yeah, kind of like this. So yeah, and yeah, so the versions of Snakebite they could do are the green 1996 version, the 2004 orange and yellow one, the 2009 black and white one, which I thought was pretty cool. And since they're making the ride trucks now, I think they could do like a ride trucks version of Snakebite. Especially, they could also do a ride trucks version of Bigfoot, because they have that as well. In real life monster truck history, like for independent shows. They could also do the casting could be impossible, but they could take the Snakebite front end, or like they could take this end part of the trophy truck body and like retool the front end to make it look like Snakebite. So yeah. Like I said, like it's a good possibility, because I mean Snakebite is as popular as Bigfoot is, and I mean it is basically Bigfoot's teammate and sort of a spin-off of Bigfoot, just like with a different design and everything, because if you look at the Snakebite truck itself, it has a Bigfoot stamp on the tailgate. So yeah. Um, yeah. So let me know what you guys think about that. Should they make Snakebite? Let me know in the comments below. All right, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys next time.